Good afternoon. Today, I decided that I might as well go ahead and show you how we make cucumber salad in our household. I know many of you are fans of cucumber salad, and I'm just going to show you our recipe for cucumber salad. So let's go ahead and get these vegetables prepared. I'm going to be using a red onion, a white onion, 3 colors of bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, some Roma tomatoes, and some cucumbers, as well as a little salt and pepper, some zesty robust Italian dressing, and some apple cider vinegar. So let's get going. I'm just slicing these in thin half slices. They're not too overbearing, but tasty nonetheless, because we love some onions. Now for the red onion. Go ahead and cut these peppers up, because who doesn't love peppers in their cucumber salad? Make sure you wash your vegetables too. I've already washed them. And of course, any of my waste that I have left from my vegetables are going in my countertop composter sent to me by Earthreal. I love this composter. It is just amazing. I have made 3 batches so far of compost from this Earthreal composter. You put them in the bowl. Now I'm just going to do the tomatoes. And we'll leave these a little chunky. So we have bite-sized bites of tomato. Now, you may or may not peel your cucumbers. I'm peeling them because skins are kind of tough. So I'm just going to take my time and peel these cucumbers. I can't find my cucumber peeler, so I have to use a knife the old-fashioned way. For the composter, set that aside. And now I'm just going to slice it into pieces. I'm cheating. I decided to cheat. 2 is better than 1 sometimes. Oh no! Let me get some of these in this bowl. They're falling on the floor. Mouth watering right now. The thought of cucumber salad is just so and it's warm outside. It's like 85 degrees. So cucumber salad is going to hit the spot today. Now I'm just going to fluff this salad up, mix it all up, and get my hands right in there. Yes, they're clean, of course. Look at how pretty this salad looks. All those onions and tomatoes and cucumbers and This is one nice salad. Wonderful. Okay. I'm going to take this Zesty Robusto Italian dressing. I'm going to shake it up. And I'm going to add it to this salad. I'm going to use the whole bottle. I'm going to add a little water, just from the tap. Now I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, but I'm going to add it sparingly because there's a lot of vinegar in the dressing. A little more. Add a little bit of salt and some pepper to the salad. Finally, I'm going to add the pepper, and you just put in what you desire. It's all up to your preference. Lastly, we're going to eat this thing. We're going to mix it up. And that's all there is to it, rather than to try some out. And I'm going to do that right now. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Well, I'm done here. I'm going to go eat my salad, and I want to thank you for watching. Make sure that if you're not liked and subscribed, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so, because we have many more videos coming. And I'm so excited because I have a new photographer, my son. So thank you, and you have a wonderful day. And let's not forget, we have to take care of the waste. In my wonderful countertop air-to-reel composter. Thank you, air-to-reel.